So guys, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my 1983 Mk1 Golf GTI, actually sporting a Corrado G60 engine. The guy before me actually built the car between 2009 and 2012 using a 91k miles GTI shell. It does have a 1974 rear end swallowtail. I'm really super pleased with it. It's been really lovely to drive. I had JMR do a full refresh on it last year, and I'll take you out for a little spin in it as well. In terms of the wheels, I've got 20mm wheel spacers on the front and 30mm wheel spacers on the rear, and it's actually got Wheelwood 254 big brake kit on the front and Mk1 Golf rear calipers as well, with a Wheelwood pedal box. We'll have a look on the inside as well now. Let's go and have a look in there. So on the inside, I've got an OMP steering wheel, Recaro, fishnet Recaros. Got full roll cage as well. We'll have a little drive later on as well, and I can show you how it goes. It's all nicely trimmed in here, and I built the rear parcel shelf myself. We're going to have a quick look at that. So, opening the boot on the button, and then I built the parcel shelf, mounted the speakers. The guy that trimmed the seats had a bit of leftover material, so I made the parcel shelf out of that. Quite nice. Batteries in the boot, by the way, guys. Yeah, you got full roll cage in there again, as you can see. The fishnet Recaros all looking good from the rear end. Jumping into the passenger side, again trimmed out pretty much the same. I've just knocked up a bit of a cover for all the electrics there. I'm going to do a better job of that. That's one of my projects still to do. Yeah, all looking pretty tidy from that side. Okay, front side of the car, we've got the quick release bonnet catches, carbon fibre bonnet, and a carbon fibre roof as well. Let's have a look in the engine bay. So, engine wise, we have a Schwick camshaft, ported cylinder head. We have oversized Wasner 83mm forged pistons. We have red top injectors. The engine has been lightened and balanced, and it's had a Jabba Sport engine remap. Stage 4 Supercharger 65mm pulley. And as I say, I had it rebuilt last year, June 2024, by JMR, John Mitchell. Brilliant job. We found I had a blown rad, so had to have a new radiator made for it. It has a Mercedes Sprinter intercooler, full Jetex stainless steel exhaust, hydraulic clutch, bespoke top fill radiator, I've already mentioned there. The front turrets were raised, and it's got KWV1 stainless coilovers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I mentioned about the carbon fibre bonnet, and what was nice was that you actually masked it off, so that yeah, you got the actual underlying carbon fibre there. Same with the roof as well. So before it went to paint, masked it off, and that's the actual carbon fibre under there. So yeah, it did a nice job of it. I'm super pleased, and it's going like a treat. Well, I think next job is to take her out for a little spin. Come for a ride with me. the job.